An Indian court has sentenced Kashmiri resistance leader Asiya Andrabi to life in prison. Two of her associates, Sophia Femida and Nahida Nasreen, were handed 30-year sentences. The ruling was delivered by a National Investigation Agency court in India's New Delhi. All three were convicted under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, or UAPA. They were found guilty of charges including conspiracy and waging war against the state. Prosecutors argued Andrabi led a long-running campaign for Kashmir's separation from India and pushed for the harshest punishments. The court agreed. In 1987, Andrabi founded Dukhtarani Millet, an all-women resistance group later banned by the Indian government. She was arrested in 2018 and has since been held in New Delhi's Tihar prison, far from her home in India-administered Kashmir. Her husband, Qasim Fakhtu, has spent more than 3 decades in Indian prisons.
My mother right now is 64, and she has spent over 15 years of her life in different prisons. But this sentence is effectively a death sentence for her. The Indian state desires that they never see daylight again. They never step foot outside of prison again. They never see their children again.
The verdict has drawn strong condemnation. Kashmiri and international rights groups say the case raises serious legal concerns. The Worldwide Lawyers Association has called for urgent international scrutiny. Legal experts argue the UAPA is used to silence dissent in India-administered Kashmir. The law allows prolonged detention, restricts bail, and gives authorities broad powers to label civilians as terrorists. In 2021, the Organization for Islamic Cooperation also condemned the imprisonment of Andrabi and her associates, calling the charges baseless. This is one of several high-profile cases under the UAPA. In 2022, Kashmiri resistance leader Yasin Malik was also sentenced to life under similar charges. The case comes amid the long-standing dispute over Kashmir, a region that's part of the wider Himalayan region that both New Delhi and Islamabad claim in full, but administer in parts. Since 1989, armed resistance has challenged Indian rule, with many Kashmiris seeking independence or unification with Pakistan. India has deployed large numbers of troops in the region. In 2019, New Delhi evoked Jammu and Kashmir's constitutional autonomy, a move followed by sweeping restrictions. Rights groups say repression has intensified since then. India says it is maintaining order and combating militancy. For many Kashmiris, cases like this reflect a broader struggle over identity, resistance, and self-determination.